Right, we're recording live, so I can edit later. I'm here today at Silverstone for the Silverstone Festival. Matthew Jordan, Pit Lane News. I'm here with Stephen Nash, who is the general manager, correct?
Correct, yes.
Yes, and not the manager of the Escapade Developments here at Silverstone. We've been in touch on and off for a few years now. They open soon, correct?
Correct. So we've only got about 5 months to go until we open. So we open in springtime 2024. So almost there. Lots to do, but we'll get there.
Great. Wow. Okay. Now I've been watching development over the last few years, and unbeknownst to me, I thought it was all. I asked you this morning who's been buying them, what the prices and stuff, and I think a lot of people as well, or the listeners or the audience, believe that it's for the rich people to buy, but that's not the case, is it?
No, it's not. So it's true that there is an investment opportunity, which is most of them have been purchased already. What most people don't understand with the development actually is just like a hotel. So you, from next year, will be able to go online onto our website, make a reservation for an apartment or a residence, and that ranges from a 1-bedroom apartment all the way to a 4-bedroom or even a 7-bedroom trackside residence. So it really works well for friends, for families, for teams, all together, just like these guys.
Is it a time? Do you have to join a timeshare sort of scheme? Like you have to be a part of the group to have a week here or a week there, or is it?
No, not at all. Oh, right. So basically, if you're an owner, you get your privileges and your usage nights. Outside of those usage nights, what happens is that you can go online, you can make a reservation. You don't have to be a member, you don't have to be an owner. All year round, you can actually just go online. If you're here for Formula One, if you're here for MotoGP, if you're here for the Classic, if you're here for a weekday test run of your team, if you're here for a drive experience, so, whatever you're here for, it's for you here all year round.
But say if I won the lottery and I bought one,
yeah,
I could live in it full time, could I?
You could do if you wanted to. Most people don't want to live in at a racetrack all year round. There's no real. Some people would like to, but most of the owners that we do have a reason for being here at certain points of the year. So whether they're in a race team, they've got a child in a race team themselves, or they might just like watching spectator sports or motorsport in general. All of them have a common thread that they are motorsports fanatics in one way or the other, and that's the important thing, is that this is a development for the motorsport enthusiasts.
Everybody. So let's get it straight. So out of 60
residences,
they've almost all been sold.
Correct. Yes.
So the residences, say if I come on next week and booked a week, would I use someone's property?
Absolutely, yes. So basically it's like a hands-off investment as a property. So it's not a private residence. It's not like you own it, you style it, you design it. They're all the same high specification.
Right, I see.
And then you make a reservation. Obviously that leasehold, that building belongs to somebody as part of an investment, which is part and parcel of the development. But from your perspective, ownership and investment opportunity is completely irrelevant for the motorsport enthusiast that wants to come and stay with us all year round. So just like a hotel, you make a reservation, you come and stay overnight, and your trackside, best views of the circuit, and it's yours to enjoy.
Brilliant. Well, listen, thank you. I know you're busy and I've got no cars coming, but we'll speak again soon. Thanks for your time.
Thanks a lot, Matt. I appreciate it.
Can't wait. Listen, let's arrange to make a plan before you open and come and do a big spread or something, because
absolutely,
nice to see the inside.
It'd be a pleasure to have you over.
Brilliant. Thanks for your time.